Ever wondered if there was a wallet that gave you true financial privacy in the crypto space? A wallet where your transactions, your balances, and your very identity remained your business and yours alone? If you've been navigating the often transparent world of public blockchains and wishing for a bit more discretion, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Beam Wallet, a name that pops up frequently when privacy in crypto is discussed. But before we get to what Beam Wallet is, let's set the stage. The vast majority of cryptocurrencies operate on public ledgers. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. Every transaction, every address, every amount is openly visible for anyone to scrutinize. While this transparency has its benefits, it also means a loss of financial privacy that many find unsettling, especially when compared to traditional banking where your account balance isn't visible to your next-door neighbor. This is where privacy-focused blockchains step in. These networks are built from the ground up with technologies designed to obscure transaction details, making it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to trace funds or identify participants. And one of the leading contenders in this arena is the Beam blockchain. So, to answer the burning question, Beam Wallet is the native wallet for the Beam blockchain. It's not just a generic crypto wallet that supports a multitude of different coins. It's specifically designed to interface with and leverage the unique privacy features of the Beam network. What does that mean in practice? Well, the Beam blockchain utilizes a technology called Mimblewimble. Now, Mimblewimble sounds like something out of a Harry Potter spellbook, but it's actually a really elegant and powerful protocol that enhances privacy and scalability. Without getting too technical, Mimblewimble works by obscuring transaction inputs and outputs. Instead of revealing specific addresses and amounts, it aggregates transaction data, making it incredibly difficult to link sender and receiver or determine exact values. When you use Beam Wallet, you're directly interacting with this Mimblewimble-powered network. This means that every transaction you make, whether you're sending or receiving Beam coins, inherits these privacy benefits. Your transaction history within the Beam ecosystem is confidential. Unlike a public explorer where anyone can see your every move, Beam transactions are designed to be unlinkable and untraceable. Beyond just holding your Beam coins, Beam Wallet offers a full suite of features that are characteristic of modern crypto wallets, but with that crucial privacy layer always active. You can send and receive Beam, participate in staking if that option becomes available, and even explore decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Beam network, all while maintaining a high degree of anonymity. It's a testament to the idea that you can have both the innovation of blockchain and the essential right to financial privacy. In a world where digital footprints are constantly expanding, Beam Wallet stands out as a tool for those who value their financial discretion. It's more than just a place to store your coins, it's a gateway to a private financial ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.